Best methods for reducing cholesterol levels. Reducing cholesterol levels is essential for maintaining heart health and preventing cardiovascular diseases. Here are some of the best methods for lowering cholesterol levels. 1. Dietary changes. Increase soluble fiber intake. Foods like oats, barley, beans, lentils, fruits, and vegetables are rich in soluble fiber, which helps reduce the absorption of cholesterol in the bloodstream. B. Choose healthy fats. Replace saturated fats found in red meat and full-fat dairy products with healthier fats like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in olive oil, avocados, nuts, and fatty fish. C. Avoid trans fats. Trans fats, often found in fried foods and commercially baked products, increase cholesterol levels and should be avoided. D. Eat plant sterols and stanols. These substances, found in fortified foods and supplements, help block the absorption of cholesterol. 2. Physical activity. Regular exercise can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and raise HDL, good cholesterol. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking 5 times a week, or vigorous exercise, such as running, for 20 minutes 3 times a week. 3. Weight management. Losing excess weight can help lower cholesterol levels. Even a modest weight loss can have a significant impact on cholesterol levels. 4. Quit smoking. Quitting smoking improves HDL cholesterol levels and benefits heart health overall. 5. Limit alcohol consumption. Drinking alcohol in moderation can have heart benefits, but excessive drinking increases cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Moderation is defined as up to 1 drink per day for women and 2 for men. 6. Medication. In some cases, lifestyle changes alone may not be sufficient to lower cholesterol levels. Statins and other cholesterol-lowering medications prescribed by a healthcare provider can help. 7. Regular health checkups. Regular screenings and blood tests can help monitor cholesterol levels and make necessary adjustments to your lifestyle or medications. 8. Healthy cooking methods. Choose grilling, baking, steaming, or boiling over frying. Using herbs and spices instead of salt for seasoning can also help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. 9. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact cholesterol levels. Practices such as yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises can help manage stress. 10. Stay informed. Keeping informed about new research and recommendations regarding cholesterol and heart health can help you make better lifestyle choices. By incorporating these methods into your daily routine, you can effectively manage and reduce your cholesterol levels, thereby improving your overall heart health. Ask question in comment section if you have any query regarding the topic. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell button for new interesting videos.